Yeah, I think solid.
Solid is
solid. So this thing is all tucked up in there. This, I gotta redo it. I gotta move it. I don't know if I want to put it here or if I want to put it in the bumper, but I'll figure that out. You know, I'm gonna go look at, see where I can get those parts right now. But that's it, super easy. Boom, boom. And then this one he had to drill. I had to drill that one out. That was hot. That was a bunch of hot metal. But we're in there, ready for 12,000 pounds. Better than this joint. You can hear the, ooh. Oh. Is it gonna be bad? Oh! So it would have been on its way out eventually, but this is the factory hitch, got rid of it. So we solid now. We solid. You can see here, this is the factory, however many way plug connector. Looks fine, but little corrosion boys in there. So that's an easy fix. All right, we'll make it quick. If you don't know, Quadrasteer Suburban. How can you tell Quadrasteer? I got the side lights. But quick, easy stuff I can show you because we're done with it. On the next step to making it super reliable, we got the draw tight, heavy duty. This is a 12,000 pound hitch, and it actually ties into the frame here. I had to drill that hole, so this is all nice. I just redid this trailer connector. I know it's exposed right now, but kill me. You can, whatever, kiss my ass. I'm gonna fix it tomorrow. I'm gonna plan to put the actual connector here, but this is it. Too easy. I'm just gonna trace it. That's all I did. Put a piece of paper, trace it. Now I'm gonna put that template on my bumper. I'm a dirtbag. If you haven't watched any of my other videos, I do not mind if you subscribe, please subscribe. But well, I've pretty much done a whole bunch of stuff to this. I got it for a deal, so I don't mind spending a little bit of money to get it right. So 03 Quadrasteer Suburban, super rare. I didn't even know Quadrasteers came in Suburbans when I got it, but I got it, and you can see here we got, you know, we got a little bit of fresh control arm action, tie rod action. We have done oil pump, water pump, all the belts. You can see in here, everything looks so nice. Don't look at my Pitman arm. Don't look at that, that's on the way. Everything to the fan clutch, to the oil cooler lines. Don't look at my idler. Everything is super, super minty. So I just went ahead and got the trailer figured out because the other one was rusted like hell, because you can see we do got a little bit of rust. But we're solid now. So the next step is put that up on there. Then I can start working on getting stuff to work off of my auxiliary battery, because if you can see in another video, we did install 2 batteries in this thing with an isolator switch. So if you like, you can check out those videos too. We've done a lot. This is going to be my dedicated, the tow rig, the tow pig, whatever you want to call it. Pretty much, I just wanted this thing, or wanted a car that could tow my 2-door Tahoe. So there's I got this. This is for a steal. And the story of how I got it is I ended up talking to the dude's wife on, not like that, to the dude's wife on Marketplace, and she's the reason why I got this thing for a steal. Got it for $3 grand. Right now these things are selling for like 10 to 12. But we're minty. You can see I got my rear steer. I actually swapped this housing over because internally my other one was making some noise. So we got that all done. You can see we got new tie rods and tie rod action all in here. I do gotta get my newer shock mounts, but other than that, I mean, we're super, super minty. A little rusty, but we're minty. Obviously did the oil pan gasket when I did the oil pump. Up front, the rust isn't too bad. It's not too bad up front because everything is still workable and you can still take stuff off. You don't got to worry about anything. Up front, it's just a bunch of surface rust. We also do got right here, I got AN lines on my transcooler, and they go all the way back over there. And we got a big 10-row derail transcooler kit. You can see the 2 lines there and there. I don't know if you can see it from up here. You can kind of see it. All that. Obviously we got, man, let me just show you. That's why I don't mind doing this. We got leather interior. This is kind of overview for the people that don't really know what the deal is with the Bourbon. But this is it. This is my baby. I plan to take care of it and keep it for a while. Actually keep it for a long time. I don't care. But let me show you. Honestly, my favorite part of the Bourbon is the roof lights, because it just makes it look tough. Next, you'll see we got some stuff. I want to get an HD hood, because this is a rust spot that's bleeding through. I want to get an HD hood. I don't know if I want to do the HD bumper, because that's a lot of welding and a whole bunch of stuff I got to do. But this is how we're sitting right now. Perfect. We chilling. I got to get different license plate lights. Don't worry about that. Is that other one on? Yeah, that other one's on. But this is us. It just looks tough. I love it. And I've been driving it every day, to and from work, round trip from Central Texas to Houston, getting all the odds and ends figured out. I'm a goo. The reason why I put this hitch on is because I got a big trip going from Texas to Georgia back. But right now we're minty. Everything's good. We also got to do the electric fan conversion, which I have the parts for. I just got to do it, and we can go from there. And obviously interior. Again, interior is mainly how I got it. This is everything minty, perfect. One tear right there. Hopefully when I go to Atlanta I can get that figured out. That's it. We got a bunch more to do. She's solid right now. I do got an exhaust leak, but don't listen to that. So if you want to see more on the Bourbon and more on the 2-door Tahoe, we got some more stuff coming on the way. But yeah, look at that hitch. We're solid.